Bryant just came on. It's very quiet. They sound pretty loud. They're 14.50 Legacy series. Downstairs, it's hooked up to a preferred Series 90X natural gas furnace. And the upstairs to the right, it's just turned on, is hooked up to an 85X natural gas preferred series. And, it just got installed about 2 weeks ago. They've been great so far. And it's up to 5 tons cooling power, and this R22 refrigerant. Just a straight cool unit. Want to get the specs real quick. And the other side. Pretty much it. I want to see what see, I just unplugged the circuit. I know you're not really supposed to do that, but whatever. And it is a Copland scroll. It's only in one stage. Obviously, it's the R22. And yeah, let's see if you can see it there. Not really. Let's hear this boot up sound. I love it. Ready? Hold on. There you go. It's about maybe 3 and a little bit feet tall. See you guys later.